User levels can be established to limit operational privileges and mitigate potential losses due to improper user privilege settings. This can be achieved through password levels, where each user level corresponds to a distinct password. When defining the operational control properties of a component, user levels can be restricted, permitting only users with the minimum enable level to operate that component. To set user levels, follow these steps. First, select Settings, System Settings, User Level from the menu bar. Then, configure the relevant parameters in the pop-up dialog box. User Count Level. The value range is 1.16. Password Level. Supports passwords from level 0 to level 16. The higher the level, the greater the privilege. For instance, a level 2 user possesses all the privileges of a level 0 user and a level 1 user. Predefined password. Configure passwords for different password levels, with a maximum length of 8 digits and only supporting numerical values. The password for level 0 is set to be empty, no password. Passwords for users with different levels should be set to different values. Level description. Information describing the user level.